Right now, millions of your cells are dying, and millions more are being created to replace them. This constant renewal keeps your body alive, growing, and healing. The process behind it is cell division. Every human begins as a single cell. Through division, that one cell becomes trillions. Cell division also repairs injuries, replacing damaged tissue after cuts, burns, and everyday wear. Without cell division, growth would stop, healing would fail, and life itself could not continue. Before dividing, a cell must copy its DNA, the complete instruction manual for life. Each human cell contains over 3 billion genetic letters that must be duplicated perfectly. Even a small copying mistake can change how a cell behaves, sometimes with serious consequences. The cell cycle is the repeating life journey of a cell: growth, preparation, division, and starting again. Most of a cell's life happens during interphase, a period of activity, growth, and preparation.
In the G1 phase, the cell grows larger and produces the proteins it needs to function.
During the S phase, the entire DNA is copied, creating 2 identical sets of genetic instructions.
In the G2 phase, the cell checks for errors and prepares for the complex process of division.
The cell cycle includes checkpoints that act like security guards, ensuring everything is safe before division.
If DNA is damaged, the cell pauses division and activates repair systems.
If damage cannot be repaired, the cell may stop dividing permanently or destroy itself. When preparation is complete, the cell enters mitosis, the process of separating duplicated DNA. In prophase, DNA condenses into visible chromosomes, and the nuclear membrane breaks down. Spindle fibers attach to chromosomes, preparing to move them with precise mechanical force. In metaphase, chromosomes align perfectly along the center of the cell. This alignment ensures each new cell will receive an identical set of genetic information. During anaphase, spindle fibers pull sister chromatids apart toward opposite ends. Each side now holds a complete and identical copy of the genome. In telophase, new nuclear membranes form around each DNA set. The cell begins to pinch in the middle, preparing for its final separation. Cytokinesis divides the cell's body, producing 2 independent daughter cells. Not all cell division creates identical cells. Meiosis produces reproductive cells with half the DNA. Reducing chromosome number ensures the correct amount is restored during fertilization. Meiosis also shuffles genetic material, creating variation between individuals. DNA replication begins when enzymes unzip the double helix like a molecular zipper. New matching bases are added, building two identical DNA molecules. Because base pairing is specific, the copies are nearly perfect every time. Sometimes mistakes occur during copying. These changes are called mutations. Most mutations are harmless or quickly repaired by cellular proofreading systems.
But some mutations disrupt normal function and may contribute to disease.
Rarely, mutations create beneficial changes that drive evolution over time. Cancer begins when cell cycle controls fail and damaged cells continue dividing. These cells ignore signals to stop, forming tumors that invade surrounding tissue.
Understanding cell division helps scientists develop treatments that target cancer growth.
Programmed cell death, called apoptosis, removes damaged or unnecessary cells safely.
This process helps shape the body and prevents harmful cells from surviving.
Over time, protective chromosome ends called telomeres become shorter with each division. When telomeres become too short, cells stop dividing and aging begins.
Scientists are learning to control cell division for healing through stem cell therapy.
Stem cells can become many different cell types, helping repair damaged organs. New technologies even allow scientists to edit DNA directly inside living cells. This gene editing technology may help treat genetic diseases in the future.
Every moment, your body balances cell birth, function, repair, and death. This balance keeps tissues healthy and systems working smoothly.
If the balance shifts too far, disease, aging, or uncontrolled growth can occur. Cell division is one of the most precise and important processes in biology. Every new cell carries the story of your DNA forward. Trillions of these tiny events keep you alive every single day.
Cell division is not just biology, it is the foundation of growth, healing, and life itself.
Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.